Good day, I'm James, a product specialist from Retico. Today, we're going to look at setting up tag-based alarms for a panel view 5000 HMI from Rockwell Automation. The first step would be to configure your alarms in the PLC using Studio 5000. To create an alarm, we'll select alarms in the controller organizer, which can be found under the Alarm Manager heading. Right-click and select Add Alarm. There are multiple different options which can be set for each alarm. We'll create two different test alarms. The first alarm will be named Motor Trip. We'll link it to the correct input tag, increase the severity to 1000, and create a static message. The editor can be used to create more dynamic alarm messages if required. We can define the alarm class and group, which are useful in dealing with many alarms which have defined areas or characteristics. The Advanced tab is used to assign additional settings to the alarm and how it responds when activated. We'll leave all these options as default. The second alarm is Tank High. Again, we'll link it to the correct input tag, change the condition to high, decrease the severity to 200, and create an alarm message. As a last step, we need to ensure that all the alarms are set to use. These alarms are now configured and can be used by the Panel View 5000 HMI. To view and use the alarms, we need to create a View Designer project. When created, 3 predefined screens are added. We have screens for the Alarm Summary, Alarm Manager, and Alarm History. In each of these pages, we can change the properties, define the required columns that are visible, and add/remove filters that can be used during runtime. If we start the runtime of the HMI, we can have a look at the alarm displays and functionality. In the Alarm Manager, we can check the alarm details, enable, disable, and shelve alarms. This can either be done for each alarm individually or multiple alarms simultaneously. A Help button also provides additional information regarding the legends used. If we now toggle the alarms in the PLC, we'll see them appear on the HMI. The top banner shows that there are alarms in the system that need to be resolved. Clicking on the alarm icon, the Alarm Summary page will open. From here, we can see the status of each alarm and its associated message. Our two alarms have different severities and as a result have different color icons. Filtering can be applied to sort out relevant alarms. Additionally, all information and details are available in the PLC, where we can interact with the alarms. If we remove the alarm conditions from the PLC, the HMI display will change to reflect that the alarm input condition is no longer present, but that the alarm still needs to be acknowledged. Acknowledging the alarms, and the alarm will be removed from the Alarm Summary list. Moving to the Alarm History page, we can see all the historical information relating to the alarms. We can see when the alarms were triggered, when the input conditions were removed, and when the alarms were acknowledged. This now concludes setting up the basics of tag-based alarming for the Panel View 5000 HMI. Thank you for your time.